Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to be showing you how to clean out the charge port on your USB-C device or your Lightning iPhone adapter or your just USB port. These things can get clogged with lint by putting them in and out of your pocket and all that jazz. And you might notice when you plug it into a charger, it just doesn't have a satisfying and good connection. Maybe any movement will cause it to not charge anymore. A lot of people think you have a bad USB cable, but that's not the case. It's usually 9 times out of 10 just compacted dryer lint. Now you can use compressed air. I found this to work maybe 50% of the time. You can use a paper clip, but people say that can damage your port, which I don't recommend. What I recommend you getting is this guy right here. I'll put a link below. It's only like 10 bucks. This sucker right here has 8 tools built in for specifically cleaning charger ports and doing it safely. I'm not going to go into all of them. I'm just going to be using the one that I use to clean my USB-C port, but definitely check the link below. It's recommended. Again, 10 bucks. You can clean everything so you don't have this problem moving forward. All right, so for my USB-C, I usually just use these two, a little wire brush and a little pick. Just carefully go on each side of your port and just kind of scoop out. See if you can get anything to come out. Again, this stuff can really compact in there, but you'll see stuff come out eventually. If this is your issue, you can already see some coming out. All right, wire brush time. Scoopity, scoopity, scoopity. Look at that stuff I'm getting. Can't really see it on video, but it is cleaning out. Look at that stuff. It's starting to come out everywhere. This was my problem. I usually have to do this about every 5 to 6 months, but really useful tool. All right, I scraped for about 20 seconds till I didn't see any more dust come out. Now you can just blow on this to get all that dust out if you're good at blowing. I prefer this high-speed blower. We are good to go. All right, let's give a little test on the battery bank. Before, this little USB-C would not go and click. Now it clicks. We're charging. So again, guys, I highly recommend this multi-use cleaning tool for charge ports, as well as a blower. This thing's like 25 bucks. I'll put links below to where you can purchase them on Amazon. This thing blows. You can clean your keyboard with it. Comes in with many uses. I know it's a little afterthought for this video, but highly recommended for longevity of keeping your ports clean. See you in the next video.